are like, hurry the fuck up, I came to see 3 Days Grace, not you. Raise your hand. Alright, honesty, I love it. You hurt my feelings, but I don't give a shit. It's alright. Because at a not Prevail show, we are all now best friends. It's in your ticket stub. We're your best friends. It's a legally binding contract. And you know what best friends do? They finish each other's words!
They finish each other's words?
No, not quite, buddy. Let's try that again. Best friends finish each other's... What the fuck?
Best friends finish each other off!
Don't fucking laugh at that, you horny motherfuckers. What the hell? Dude, I know it's been a while since we've been on the road, but dude, we've fallen off course. We're not on the same page anymore. What the fuck? Let's do a little word association game. Try to get us back on page one here. All right, let me think. If I were to say French, you would say
revolution.
No, not quite. Okay. If I were to say peanut butter, you would say jelly. What the fuck? I'm afraid to be inside your mind at any given moment. What the actual fuck, dude? You know, I think my new best friends are gonna do much better than whatever the fuck that was. Let's try it. If I were to say violet, you would say... That's how you do it, dum-dum. If I were to say violin, you would say... Violin! 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 You better be loud. Are you guys just chilling? That's fine. That's fine, but I'm gonna divert my attention over here for a moment. Y'all in that pit, not too bad. I need you to get bigger.